How does Bellwether ensure quality and customer satisfaction with every project? That's a good question. It starts with how we train our teams and ends with how we follow up. We are a James Hardy Elite and Pella Platinum Elite certified contractor, which means we're held to the highest standards of installation, quality, customer service. Our certifications really are tied to our reviews, independent third-party surveying, and customer satisfaction, as well as reviews of how well we're doing the installation. We give every homeowner a dedicated project guide. Our updates and walkthroughs along the way are thorough and all-encompassing. And our commitment doesn't stop when the job ends. It stops when the homeowner is 100% satisfied.